Hey, Mr. Hayes and Melissa. You had spoken with Teresa this morning regarding your guys' website, and good thing I am making this video for you guys because there's a lot of valuable information that I'm sure you guys would love to see. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if this video finds you well and you have any more questions, feel free to reach out, and I'd love to help you guys out. But let's get right into it. The first thing I want to talk about today is content. And when it comes to content, Google likes to see 1,500 words on a homepage. So as we scroll down your website, I do like your website. I do suggest getting a logo made. It kind of just makes it look a little bit more professional. I like how you have your commercial and industrial, but I would have your services in a drop down. I see you have a huge keyword right here. Las Vegas electrician. I don't know if people did SEO as far as building this, but it kind of looks like it. But I do see that they haven't done much SEO as far as your backlinking profile, which is why you're not getting traffic, which I will show you here shortly. But you do have some great keywords popping out, which you are currently ranking for. But I do suggest getting some more content. Google likes to see 1,500 words on a homepage, and that's so you can fit all of these important keywords such as Las Vegas electrician, Las Vegas electrical services, and there's plenty more, which I'm going to show you here shortly. But I just did a quick search, acting as if I needed an electrician in Las Vegas, and I typed that in up here. And as you can see, you are not showing up on this first page. So that's a big problem. Pacific Electric LV is showing up. So let's see what their website looks like. Nothing special, barely any content too. So if you were to go out and get that 1,500 words, you would easily be able to beat them in that aspect and go up and make Google happy, so to speak. But let's go back to this main search here, and I want to touch base on this section. This is the Google My Business section. You guys are in second place, so you guys do have some citations. I suggest getting 100 to 200 more citations, which a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, like the Yellow Pages, BBB, Chamber of Commerce, Yext, City Star, Facebook. They're all directory listings, and also count as backlinks. But that is what's going to help you and gain the most traction as far as ranking you, along with great reviews, which you guys do have, and keeping up with reviews and answering them. Also, you can add pictures. You want to have more pictures than this guy that's above you. So if you haven't added any in a while, I would add some, and also geotag them where you're doing the work at, because that'll expand your reach. So this GMB listing will start showing up. And if you do a job out here in the northwest area, post a picture from there, because then you'll start gaining some traction out there. If you do a job in Summerlin South, post a picture from there onto your GMB. You'll start gaining some traction and getting calls from there as well. So that's just a little bit for that section. Now this bottom section, the organic section, this deals directly with your website, and this is where all the good information I wanted to show you is. So we know PacificElectricLV.com is in first place. So I have a tool I use called called Ahrefs, and this shows me basic overview of your site and its stats. So I plugged in yours, PDQ Electric NV, and this shows me everything. So your UR, your DR, which is your overall trust flow, and then the overall power of your backlink profile. You only have 156 backlinks coming from 34 websites, and out of the 34 websites, only 23 are transferring any power to you. So with this many websites, you should at least be up in the 10 range. So that's telling me whatever backlinks you do have are not relevant, because you want relevant backlinks coming to you from other maybe electrical companies, or a blog written about something to deal with electrical. You don't want Pizza Hut, so to say, giving you a backlink, because you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. So you want relevant, strong backlinks. You're ranking for 36 keywords, but you're not getting any traffic. Let's see why. So as we go to your keywords, you are ranking for a lot of the great keywords that you should be ranking for, but it's your position that you're in for them. So all your traffic right now, your 21, is coming from people looking for you directly. Well, we want to focus on the people that don't know you, that's looking for an electrician in Las Vegas. And there's 600 people a month typing electricians Las Vegas. This is going to show me the volume. 600 searches a month, and you're on the fourth page almost. So 0 through 10 is the first page, 11 through 20, second page, 21 through 30, third page. You're on the third page. Electricians Las Vegas with the NV, 100 searches for that, and you're on the third page. Electrical Las Vegas, 60. Las Vegas electrician, 80. Best electricians Las Vegas, 50. So you already have all these you're already halfway there. You just need some strong backlinks and SEO done, and this is what your site could look like in traffic. So this is that Pacific Electric LV guy. His scores aren't much better than yours, but he does have more power than you at the moment. And he's ranking in first place for a lot of those same keywords that you have as we go into his. See, Electrician Las Vegas, 900. Electricians Las Vegas, there it is, 600. Electrical Company Las Vegas, 350. So a couple of these you don't have that we would want to focus, but look at, he's in third position. He's on the first page for all these, and look at his traffic he's getting. 123, 58. That's 58 people coming to his website just for ranking for Electrician Las Vegas. So let's say half of those actually became clients. That's like almost 30 jobs he got alone from just being ranked in the top first page for Electrician Las Vegas. He's not doing anything special. He just has some SEO done. That's it. And I would love to help you out and talk more to get you to where he's at, because all the numbers are there. You're just not popping up for him at this moment. And we would just have to go and add backlinks strategically each month to beat him, because we know what's working for him and it'll work for you. So he's pulling all sorts of traffic, and all his backlinks are laid out for us to go right through. Look at, boom. He's got backlinks coming from Las Vegas electricians. He's got a directory from Henderson Chamber of Commerce. He's in this. He's here. He's here. He's here. So we can go and submit all these for your business, knowing that they're powering him enough, and then we got to beat him and go one step better. And then you'll show up above him. You're going to start pulling mad traffic to your site and getting tons of business, making that traffic value go up and making your pocket a lot fatter. I'd love to help you out with this, Shane, and thank you, Melissa, for allowing this video to come through. We hope to hear back from you. My name is Lee. My phone number is 570-240-5257. We're not a huge, crazy company where you get lost in the mix. We focus on you directly, and you deal with me and my partner directly. So we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.